Welcome to our channel. If you need to remove playlists from Spotify, follow these step-by-step instructions to organize your music library more effectively. Step 1. Open the Spotify app on your smartphone or computer and log in to your account. Step 2. Navigate to your library by tapping the library icon at the bottom of the screen on mobile or clicking Library in the left sidebar on desktop. Step 3. Select Playlists to view all the playlists you have created or saved to your library. Step 4. On mobile, press and hold the playlist you want to remove. On desktop, right-click on the playlist. Step 5. From the menu that appears, select Delete Playlist or Remove from your library, depending on whether you created the playlist or saved someone else's. Step 6. If you created the playlist, Spotify will ask you to confirm the deletion, as this action is permanent and cannot be undone. Step 7. Tap Delete or confirm your choice to permanently remove the playlist from your account. Step 8. For playlists you saved from others, they will simply be removed from your library, but will still exist on the original creator's account. Step 9. Repeat this process for any additional playlists you want to remove from your Spotify account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.